When reading a book, listening to an audio, or even watching a DVD or a movie, you can ensure a better focus by using a mind map to track and organize the content. A mind map simply tracks what you are reading using a circle in the middle of a piece of paper with a topic inside and lines drawn out of the circle. As you read, you listen, you watch, what do? You write out the key ideas at the tip of each line. When you finish, aggregate your thoughts and you will find that you would have several points that are similar to each other. If you look at your mind map, you can easily recollect all the things that you have read, watched, or listened to, and you can be very organized in communicating these to someone else in a very focused and organized manner.